I got this item. Hi guys. So I got this item delivered this morning, and I'm going to use my Meta glasses to do the recording, just to try it. It's my first time of using the Ray-Ban Meta glasses to do a video. So we're going to unbox it and see what is inside. So all my orders are gradually coming in preparation. The majority of them are gifts and is in preparation for my trip home. So these are some of the items from Shein. So this one is a dress. I'm not sure what this one is again. Let me open it. Or is a leggings. Oh my goodness, it's small. Maybe it's stretchy enough. There are two pairs here. Doesn't look big enough now to me. Hopefully it serves its purpose. You can see my Meta glasses is flashing a white light there, so that shows that I am recording. So this is another one. I remember what this is. Oh, it's a short. I think this short is for me. It's so summery and the color is so nice. So let's put it back in the pack. And this is another item, and I think it's a short as well. Okay, it looks nice. It looks nice, and it's stretchy, and material is breathable. So this one, this might be a short as well. Very nice. This short is for me. There are some gifts here as well.